LA City 911, operator 974.
Yeah, I'm calling from 75 Laurel Canyon Boulevard, North Hollywood. It's a liquor store. My employee was just attacked by a transient, which he sits across the street, and I think this guy is crazy.
The guy is across the street now, the transient?
Yeah. He's sitting there. He's sitting in front of the Super 8 Hotel on Laurel Canyon.
Super 8.
And he hit him. He injured his arm.
Okay. Does he need an ambulance?
No.
Okay.
But,
let me get a description of the guy that hit your employee. Is he black, white, Hispanic, Asian?
Hispanic, 5'5", probably like 280 pounds.
Okay. What color shirt and pants was he wearing?
He wearing I don't want to get close to him, but he's wearing a hat, a red hat with a symbol on front of it.
Okay. And what color shirt? Do you remember?
I think it's like brown, dark brown.
Dark brown shirt. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you remember the pants or no?
No, but he's.
And did he use a weapon or did he hit your employee with his hand?
He broke. We have these, COVID, the shield in front of the cash registers. He broke it and he went after the cashier and he hit his arm.
Plastic shield.
Yeah, with the wood. Yeah.
It's wood?
And he threatened him. Yeah,
is it wood or is it plastic or what?
Wood. There's wood, and then this post, and then there's the plastic that's attached to it. And, he's telling him, I'm going to kill you, and some stuff like that.
Okay, what's the name of your business? Okay. And your name?
My name is, the guy that works here, his name is.
The victim is. And then what's your phone number at the store?
Yes.
Okay, I'll get an officer out there. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Be careful. Okay, careful. What? Hey, watch
God bless
you.
Hey, be careful.
Never you lie to me. Hey. I love the officer.
Okay, wait.
I love the officer.
Okay,
do me a favor.
¿Habla español?
Give me a
¿O inglés?
I speak all of the language and the control.
What's up?
Okay, me hace un favor. Okay, ¿dónde va a tirar eso?
Aquí en el trash container.
¿No va a hacer recycle?
No, never I make the recycle. Why? The law you make is trash. My law, you see me right there? It's very true.
Okay.
I take care of you, and his is very nice.
Hey.
It's under you.
Hey.
But his is very nice.
He's
very officer.
Hey, can you do me a favor?
Don't speak nothing more with you.
No, he doesn't like you.
It's very true.
Is your trash can right there?
Yes.
All right, listen. What's your name?
My name you know.
I don't know your name, but I never dealt with you. I've never
What
dealt with you.
you know, and you see with me in your control.
But what's your name?
Francisco Javier Alba.
Francisco Alba.
Pancho Papa Chico, all over the king and the countries, not only right here.
Yeah.
And never you cross the line with me.
Hey, Francisco.
Yes.
Me hace un favor. Okay?
I'll be in favor too. God is perfect. God is perfect law. You make the law, but you damage the law under you, and never you have control in the law.
Okay.
My law is very perfect law. My father God is right here.
Oh, okay.
And I have with right there, and I love the good officer. The trash law officer, I put it down, and never I use the arm. You have the gift, I give to you, and I want to take off, I take off in 1 second, and I put it on you. God bless you.
Francisco, me hace un favor. En el futuro, ya no regresen aquí, ¿ok?
No. Never you say no coming right here.
No regresen
All
a la
over the country is mine.
Francisco, a la tienda no
Listen to
regresen.
you. They are my family. Okay. They are condemned with me. They are thrown away.
Francisco, hoy usted estaba peleando con él ahí adentro.
No. If I was
espérame,
listen to me. If I go put it them, I put them in 1 second. The same you. You have the arm, when I put you down in 1 millesime second.
Francisco.
Yeah, don't listen to me. And don't speak nothing to me. Be quiet.
Hurry up, Francisco.
Hey, God live in you.
Alva.
Alva is my name. My last name.
Hey, Francisco.
Don't listen to me and don't speak to
Alva,
me.
cuídense ahí en la calle.
We can get one more addition here just to monitor, I guess.
Yeah. 1583, can I get an additional unit for 415 now?
Request an additional unit, 75 Canyon Boulevard for perfect team.
Kim said just for us to call MEU and just make sure that he's not in the system, and then that's it. I mean, but and to get their advisement, but he's not going to reach if it's 150 duties. He's not, you know what I mean? At this point, it's just to talk he dissipates.
All right. Hey, George, take over as DCO, will you? Hey sir, how's it going? This is Johnston from North Hollywood. We got a 415 man here. I think he's part of a radio call, but we just wanted to see if you guys had any contacts with him. Stand by. I have not get a chance to run him or verify his name. It's just kind of the name he screamed out at us. So, just heads up.
9823, 9823, are you correct?
His name's Francisco Alva.
Francisco Alba?
Alva, A-L-V-A.
B-A, boy Adam, right?
Victor Adam.
Victor Adam. And Francisco?
Yes, sir.
No contact?
No contacts, no.
Hey,
drop it!
Drop it!
Drop it! 40 stand by! 40 stand by!
Back it up! Hey, back up! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up!
¡Quédense ahí! ¡Ponle para ahí! ¡Ponle para abajo! ¡Ya! ¡Ponle para abajo!
Stop!
Back it up, guys. Back it up. Back it up.
Hit him with 40. Hit him. Hey!
Back it up. Back it up.
Back it up.
Back it up. Back it up. Hey, back up. Back up.
Back up! Back up!
Back up. Stop. Back up.
Crossfire. One back.
Stop. Hey, drop it. Drop it. 40 stand by. 40 stand by.
Back it up. Hey!
Stand by.
¡Quédense ahí!
Aquí en medio. Pero no, pero sin el martillo. No, ponlo para abajo.
Suéltalo.
Para abajo. ¡Ey!
¡Quédense ahí! ¡Quédense ahí! ¡Ponlo para ahí! ¡Ponlo para abajo ya! ¡Ponlo para abajo! ¡Ponlo para abajo!
Cover.
¡Ponlo en el piso!
Get some cover. Get some cover. Get some cover. Get some cover. Get some cover.
Francisco, no lo toques otra vez. Quédense ahí. Quédense ahí. Francisco. No le agarres, Francisco. Francisco, no le agarres, ¿ok? No le agarres. Quédese en el piso, Francisco. Quédese ahí en el piso. Anyone get RA? Francisco, no le agarres, ¿ok? No le agarres. No le agarres. Ok, no le toques eso. Quédese ahí.
I got gloves on also.
Quédese ahí. No le mueves, ¿ok? Está bien, no le muevas, quédese ahí. No le mueves. Quédese ahí. No le mueves mucho, ¿ok?
To your right, all right?
Ahorita. No lo muevas. ¿Ok? No lo muevas. Ahorita va a traer una ambulancia. ¿Me entiendes?
Están dañando lo que no debían.
Ahorita viene una ambulancia. ¿Me entiendes? ¿Sí me entiendes, Francisco? Habla conmigo ahorita. Todo va a estar bien. ¿Ok? No le agarres. No le agarres.
Están dañando lo que no
Ok. Quédese ahí.
You are damaged. Something.
No. In his right pocket, he's got a screwdriver sticking out. Okay. Ponle en el piso, Francisco, ahí. Francisco, en tu espalda, ponle en el piso, ahorita. No, está bien, ponle en el piso ahorita. En tu espalda, Francisco.
Yeah.
Ok, Francisco, me hace un favor. Ponle en el piso en su estómago. Ahorita, Francisco, ahorita. Ok, ahorita pone tu estómago ahorita. Ok, quédense ahí.
Hey, nothing in my bag. Don't feel.
Espérese, escuchen lo que le van a decir.
No,
Escúchese.
We're gonna need more than one.
Double cup. He's got
Turn him this way. Turn him this way.
You need another one? Yeah. We're gonna need more cup.
Hey, don't feel.
He got three.
Don't feel damage my
Francisco,
cuerpo.
quédese ahí en el piso. No te muevas, Francisco. Pon tus manos ahí atrás en tu espalda.
Don't feel.
There we go. Nice and easy.
Don't